Welcome, it's Angie. In just a few months, Chancellor Rachel Reeves will stand up in Parliament and deliver the Autumn Budget 2025. This is not just another political event, this is the moment that could change everything for your personal finances. Whispers and leaks are already starting to surface, and what we're hearing is a massive shift in economic priorities, from your weekly shopping bill to your retirement plans. This budget is expected to touch every part of your life. In this video, we'll give you the hot off the press analysis of what's coming, who will be most affected, and a step-by-step guide on how you can get ready for it. This is your essential guide to the Autumn Budget 2025. Let's start with the big picture. We are now in August 2025, and the economic landscape is one of careful balancing. The government's top priority is to manage inflation, while also stimulating growth. This budget is expected to be a direct response to a difficult economic climate, and we're well aware of that, and sources indicating it will focus on three key elements. Number one, sustainable growth and green investment. Expect big announcements on how the UK will fund its transition to a green economy with new incentives for businesses and households to adopt eco-friendly technologies. 2. Targeted support for families. Now, the government knows that the cost of living crisis, whilst easing, is still a major pressure. We expect to see new measures aimed at families, particularly those with young children. 3. Fiscal prudence and tax reform. The Chancellor has signalled a move towards a fairer tax system. This could mean changes to who pays what, with a focus on raising revenue without stifling the economy. These themes will be the foundation of every announcement, so keep them in mind as we dive into the details. Let's talk about the impact this will have on different sectors. And first up, let's talk about homeowners and families. This is where we anticipate some of the most significant changes. First, mortgage support. With interest rates still a concern, there are rumours of a new targeted scheme to help families struggling with their mortgage payments. This could take the form of a government-backed interest rate freeze for a fixed period or a new form of lender support. 2. The family impact. The government is widely expected to announce an increase in child benefit or the introduction of a new family allowance. We're also hearing talk of a reform to childcare funding, making it easier for parents to return to work. And 3, council tax. There's a strong possibility of a council tax band re-evaluation. While this could be controversial, the government may argue it's a way to ensure the system is more equitable, and I'll be talking about that more and what it means to different sectors. So how can all we in that position prepare now? Well, for homeowners, it's a great time to speak to your mortgage advisor to review your options. For families, make sure you are claiming all the benefits you are currently entitled to, as many new schemes will likely build on existing systems. Next up, let's focus on pensioners and workers. Now, with pensioners, we've already discussed the expected state pension triple lock increase of over £460 a year in a previous video. But the budget could bring even more. The Chancellor might announce a review of pension pots and a push for more productive investment to help the UK economy. Number 2, income tax and national insurance. There's a strong possibility of changes to the income tax thresholds or national insurance contributions. Many are speculating that the burden could be shifted to higher earners to fund the new social programmes. This is a crucial point for all of us and who she classes as the higher earners. Number 3, the future of work. Now, for workers, the budget could include new funding for vocational training and apprenticeships, particularly in the green energy and tech sectors. So how can pensioners in particular prepare now? Well, if you're a pensioner like myself, do review your state pension forecast and ensure your other savings are optimised. And for workers, now is the time to check your tax code and understand your current tax liabilities so you're not caught off guard by any changes. Finally, let's look at the impact on businesses and on savers. Number 1, let's talk about business support. Small and medium-sized enterprises, the SMEs, they're the backbone of the economy. We expect to see new loan schemes and tax breaks for businesses that invest in green technology or that create new jobs. The Chancellor may also announce changes to corporation tax. Number 2, savers and investors. For savers, the government is likely to continue pushing the agenda for getting more people to move their money from low-interest savings accounts into more productive investments. Don't be surprised to see changes to ISA rules or new investment incentives. The message is clear. The government wants your money to work for the economy. So how businesses and savers must prepare now? Business owners should be thinking about their investment plans and how they can align them with potential green incentives. For savers, this is a great opportunity to review your investment strategy and decide if it's time to seek professional advice. So the Autumn Budget 2025 is not just a financial report, it's a roadmap for the whole country. Being prepared is your best defence. We've covered a lot today, so here's what you can do right now. Subscribe to this channel to get our next update as soon as the budget is announced. Number 2, review your own finances and consider how these changes might affect you. And 3, check the valuable resources below in our description for official government links and for other really helpful resources that I like to leave in the description. They really do help a lot of our viewers, and many people have contacted me to say how valuable they are. So do link into those. We can see this is a story that will unfold over the next few months, and we will be here every step of the way to break it down for you. Thank you for watching, and remember, please like this video to help more people see this crucial information, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.